fire god. Long ago, in a certain village, lived a rich man. One day he got into his wagon and set out on a long journey. On the way, he met a girl dressed in red clothes. The girl requested him to take her along. The rich man agreed and she got into the wagon. He drove along for half a day without even glancing at her. Finally, when the girl was about to get down from the wagon, she said, "You are a good and honest man. I will tell you the truth. I am the god of fire. A fire will break out in your house tomorrow. So save what you can." Terrified, the rich man hastily ran home. He collected all his valuable possessions, clothes and jewels, and moved them away from the house. The moment he lay down to sleep, a fire broke out on the hearth. Soon the entire building collapsed into dust and ashes. He thanked the fire god as he had saved all his possessions. The White Ants. Ho Kwan was such a kind-hearted man that he had never killed any living being. He had kept 1,000 pieces of silver in a jar. One day, it so happened that the white ants made their way into the jar and ate some of the silver. The member of Ho family traced the ants to a hollow cave. They decided to put the ants in a melting pot and recover the lost silver. But Ho was so kind that he did not let them kill the ants. At night, he dreamt that thousands of soldiers dressed in white took him to the king. The king said to Ho Kwan, "By your kind act, our lives have been saved. The tree near your residence has a jar full of silver buried under it. Just dig that out and keep it for yourself. You are the perfect example of goodness." When Ho awoke, he dug up under the tree and recovered a jar with 1,000 silver coins. Mulan. Long ago in China lived a girl named Mulan. Her father was a retired general and had come home sick. One day, the emperor sent his officials to announce that the war was imminent. By order of the emperor, one man from every family must serve in the imperial army. Mulan knew that her father would never survive another battle. He was sick and old. She did not have a brother. There was only Mulan who could take her father's place. But women were not allowed in the battlefield. She was sad. She came up with a plan to save her father's life. The next morning, Mulan quietly sneaked into her parents' bedroom. She took her father's sword and armor and cut her long, beautiful hair. Mulan disguised herself as a man. She put on her father's uniform and left the house. Mulan the hero. Mulan looked like a young soldier going to war. The warriors accepted him, for this was her plan to pretend to be a boy and take her father's place in the army. When Mulan's parents discovered what she had done, they were shocked. Masquerading as a soldier was a crime, and if Mulan were caught, she would be killed. But she was a brave soldier. On the battlefield, she saved the life of the emperor. The emperor praised her and said Mulan had saved China. Nobody could recognize her. They thought she was the man. She fought bravely but was injured. When the doctors treated her, it was revealed that she was a woman. Finally, everybody got to know that she was Mulan. Mulan brought honor to her family and made her father proud. She was a hero in China.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.